Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
If you are encountering the error cannot reset password, this Apple ID is either not valid or not supported. When trying to reset your Apple ID password, then here is how to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your mobile device. Then in the search address bar, search for the appleid.apple.com. Now, once inside there, scroll down and there you'll get to see sign in option available. Simply scroll down to that page. And once you find the sign in option available, simply tap on it. Now, once tapped on it, you will have to enter your Apple ID account. Once entered your Apple ID, simply tap on the continue and continue the process. There you can see forgot your Apple ID password option available in the bottom. Tap on it. Now tap on the reset password option available there. Now a face authentication or a fingerprint authentication will be asked on your mobile screen, and after the process is complete you'll be navigated to enter new password and confirm it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.